Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the usual suspects, batteries and signal. Start now by removing old cells and installing fresh alkaline or fully charged rechargeables because weak voltage causes most failures. While the batteries sit, look at the receiver and clear anything blocking the front panel. Infrared needs direct line of sight. Next, identify whether your remote uses IR, RF, or Bluetooth so you know whether pairing, line of sight, or frequency issues matter. Once done, move to reset and pairing. You now reset and verify signal path because resets clear glitches and cleaning fixes poor contacts. Remove batteries for 30 seconds and press every button to discharge residual charge, then reinstall fresh cells. Wipe battery springs and contact points with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol and let them dry to restore conductivity. If your remote is IR, confirm the emitter flashes using a smartphone camera. If RF or Bluetooth, use the device's pairing menu to repair, following on-screen prompts carefully. Finish by isolating whether the remote or the receiving device is faulty. If repairing and cleaning didn't work, perform a factory reset on the device but backup settings because this clears configurations. Try a spare or universal remote to confirm the problem is the original controller. If that proves it, replace the remote. One key troubleshooting tip. Intermittent behavior often means borderline battery voltage. Swap battery brand or type and retest at varying distances to verify consistent operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.